Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。Alice 啊，我昨天跟刘德华、还有张学友、还有黎明都一起吃饭呢。
真的吗？
还拍照了呢。
你有没有开玩笑？
开玩笑的啦。
讲笑嘅。
You know, sometimes friends like to show off. Maybe they did see someone, but they like to say, yeah, we hung out together with Andy Lau and Jackie Chung last night, and we even took pictures. And then you find out that they don't have any pictures, and you're like, you're lying, okay? It's because this month we're teaching you terms associated with just kidding, 开玩笑的。
讲笑嘅。
讲笑嘅 all right? So let's use this as an example. 如果说真的有朋友那样骗人，说我跟谁在一起？我说拍照呢，照片呢，在哪里呢？骗人的吧？
有没有骗人？
对啊，我们就教这些生字好了，好不好？拍照 take a picture。
翕相
翕相啊，这我记得好几年前有教过，一直都记得翕相。Okay, that means take a picture. Now again, like what I said, I took a picture with Andy Lau last night, and Alice is like 骗人吧，
骗人，
骗人。Okay, that means are you lying to me? Are you kidding me? 骗人。Okay, that's 骗人。
那骗人的海陆腔呢？骗人。
骗人，好像要便宜你了，骗人。Okay, all right, that's a different dialect of saying, are you lying? Okay, so usually I will ask for proof. 其实这个，尤其如果这个说谎没打好草稿的话，就是说对，我昨天跟谁照相，然后你要把相片拿出来给我看啊。如果没有的话，那就表示你有在骗人了，对不对？
对。
So how do you say 相片？ I want to see the picture. All right, 相片。
凶
只要凶就好了。
对
That's a picture. All right, let's make a sentence. 你是骗人的吧 ？OK， 通常我们都会这样子讲嘛。如果你有在怀疑的话 ，if you have doubts about something that someone said, then you go, Are you kidding me?
唔係騙人嘅係麼？
唔係騙人嘅係麼？唔係 that means are you? And then 騙人嘅係麼 lying to me? 然後有一個那種 question mark，
騙人的吧？
對對對，一個大問號在那裡。Okay, that means Are you kidding me? All right, let's review all these phrases. To take a picture, 拍照。
翕相。
翕相 and to lie, 騙人。
騙人。
騙人不好哦。And then give me proof, 相片。凶 that's a picture. And it's all about our theme, joking around, 開玩笑的。
講笑嘅。
講笑嘅 Hopefully you learn a little bit more how to deal with these type of situations. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.